Hey, it's Fuzzy back here, you guys. Okay, so this tarp that I put up, and I already made a video of it, that what I was going to do with it. But anyway, I wanted to give you some insight on what's happening with it. Now, a canvas tarp. I'm not going to bang the tarp. It's a great tarp. Yeah, it's strong. It's great quality. It doesn't leak. But shrink and expand. Holy cow! Now, when I mounted the sides here, I put these twist locks on it. Okay. Now, to put these twist locks in when it's dry or when it's cold and it shrinks, no way, it ain't going in. So I ended up taking those off and putting these little spring-loaded little things on here. Put some clips on the outside. Run a hole through here, and then that's the way I have to do it up and take it off. The bottom here, it's a real challenge getting these twist locks back on. You got to make sure the truck is fairly even too. So if it's off kilter a bit, this tarp will lean this way or this way. Then you got to move the tarp back and forth to get these twist locks in. Now, when it's cold and icy outside, yeah, that's really hard to do. So anyway, so I come up with that scenario. So what I did was I drilled a hole through here, and then I put my bungee cord with a knobby on it through there, and that comes across. And then I made a little tool out of wire that hooks on that, and then you just pull this across and hook it on, and off you go. It keeps it tight to the box itself, and it seems to be working good. But if you think these don't shrink and expand, you got another thing coming, because they do a lot. I bet you probably at least 3 inches on either side, and you can't do it up. You can do one side up because you can pull it over, but you can't get the other side over. When they're warm, they'll expand a lot. When they're cold, down they go, especially when they get wet. And then a little bit frozen, zoom, down they go. Anyway, that's my insight on a canvas tarp. All right, take care.